So that picture was a picture of the water heater in use. So the bottom valve and the top valve are in line, the middle valve is off. Some valves use two and some just use one valve. It's like a three-way. So we can cover that in a later video, or you can ask me in the comments and I'll try to point you in the right direction. So now our lines are pressured up, the pump pressurized up and shut off, indicating that there's no leaks in the trailer. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn those lines. So I'm going to turn my hots on. So what this is going to do is fill the water heater. So right now it's at bypass, so that's bypass the water coming through. There, our middle valve is off, so now there's no water running anywhere. We're going to turn the bottom one on and the top one on. Of course, I put the drain plug back in on the outside. So now it looks like not a lot of things, like nothing's happening, but right now the water heater is actually filling up. So we just wait and let it run until it runs normal, and that's telling us that our water heater is in fact full. Some people pull the pressure relief valve on the outside of the water heater. That's actually frowned upon. There is a cushion that's supposed to be inside there, inside the tank, and if you pull the pressure relief valve, that actually messes up that air cushion. So this is definitely the best way to do it. So it's not running quite normal yet. It's going to start sputtering and making a mess. Sometimes they splatter everywhere, so you might want some rags nearby. I got mine. There we go. So now we got normal flow. It is also common for these to get plugged up by any sediment that might be in the bottom of your tank. So if your tap all of a sudden just shuts off without you actually turning the valve, you might just have some buildup just inside the aerator of the tap. So you just pop that off and clean it out. It all comes apart. You can clean it out, throw it back in, and away you go.